Real estate math, plug it in. On 6.2, we have what is the loan balance after the first monthly payment, your question. Then you have in longhand this formula, but you won't use the longhand formula on your state test. You will study the longhand formula so you'll understand what the letters mean. Now let's go to the shorthand formula that you'll use on your test, on your scrap paper. P times I equals yearly I. Principal times interest equals yearly interest. Yearly I, or interest, divided by 12 equals your monthly interest. Your monthly PI, principal and interest, minus your monthly I, your monthly interest, equals your monthly principal. And then you plug in your monthly principal, and you look back at your original principal loan minus your monthly principal equals your answer, total principal loan balance after the first monthly payment. And let's look at the loan formula that is worked out for you. We will read first the problem. The loan amortization factor for 7.5% for 15 years is 9.27, and the loan amount is $55,000. The sale price is $76,000. What is the loan balance after the first monthly payment? Now let's plug in our formula. We know that the principal loan, and it tells you your loan is $55,000, the loan amount. So you plug that in, $55,000. Then you look for your interest rate, and the interest rate is 7.5%, and you plug that in. So now you say 55,000 times 7.5% equals your yearly interest, which you know down on your short problem, you would plug in 55,000 times 7.5, and that would be your yearly interest. Now let's go back to the second step. The yearly interest divided by 12 equals your monthly interest. So we see that you plugged your yearly interest and you divide it by 12, gives you monthly interest. Yearly interest divided by 12 equals your monthly interest. Then you would have your monthly PI. Now in your problem, it doesn't give the PI, so we have to use our formula that you have already memorized. The loan factor times your loan divided by 1,000 equals your monthly PI. So we have to know this monthly PI in order to plug it in. So you have to use your formula, loan factor times, in parentheses, loan divided by 1,000. So you do your parentheses first, your loan, which would be 55,000 divided by 1,000, and you would come up with times your loan factor. So you will come up with your monthly PI as $509.85, and then you would minus your monthly interest, which you already have found out in your step 2, and then you would get your monthly principal, which was $166.10, and you plug that into your monthly principal. Then you go back in your problem, you find your loan, which you know is $55,000, your original principal loan, minus your $166.10 gives you your loan balance after your first monthly payment. And you would use the short formula to plug in your information from your problem. But if they do not give you PI, you have to use your formula that would fit the problem. And this was the formula, the loan factor they gave you. They gave you the loan, but they didn't give you the PI. So your loan factor times your loan divided by 1,000, which 1,000 into 55,000 was how you did the first, and then your loan factor times it gives you your monthly PI.